Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm making is I'm making something that's very easy to make. It's not hard at all, and it's also delicious. Uh, Down here in Tornado Alley, Texas, this morning we had a cold front blow through, so it's about 50 degrees out there, so it's a little bit cool. So for dinner, what I'm making is I'm making some Bear Creek Bear Creek cheddar potato soup kicked up my way. And I'll have this in two parts. I'm going to show you what I did to kick it up in the first part and how to go about making this. And the second part will be the plating up. So it's very simple. It's not hard at all. And what I did is, let me get this moving over here. What I've got here is I've got some diced potatoes. I diced up some potatoes and I'm adding it to the soup. This has already got potatoes in it, but I wanted more potatoes. So what I did is I brought this up to a boil, added 7 cups of water. The package calls for 8, but I always put 7 in. I think it makes it a lot more creamier, and also it makes the soup have a richer taste. Something else what I'm going to do to kick it up is I got a little bit of shredded mild cheddar cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and dump that in too. So it's going to even be more cheesy. So I'll get started here. And like I say, it's very easy to make. Like I say, I've been boiling these potatoes for right about 7 to 8 minutes, and the soup is going to cook 15 minutes on medium. So what it's going to do is it's going to continue cooking the potatoes, and they're going to come out perfect. So go ahead and get this open here. And we get it whisked in. Just going to whisk this in here. Dump that in there. And this will thicken up. It will become a soup. And it's going to, like I say, it's going to be delicious. I always had nothing but good luck with this brand of Bear Creek. It's just Bear Creek makes some fine products. Really does. I'm going to cut the heat down a little bit because it's starting to boil pretty good here. And it's boiling where it's splashing me now. So going to cut that down a lot there. Before I make a mess all over this stove. Now I'm just going to dump some more of the cheddar cheese in and continue stirring it, because that's going to even make it thicker, richer, and better. Oh yeah. Really good, and it's starting to smell great. And the beauty about it is, if you want it, if it becomes too thick, you can always add more water to it. Make sure this is all mixed up real good. And that's what way you do it. You just let it cook, and it's going to continue to cook, and you cook it 15 minutes. And it's going to be soup, and it's going to be ready and delicious. Go ahead and put the timer for 15 minutes. And just let it slow simmer. Whenever you buy the Bear Creek soups, you can't go wrong. They're very delicious, real flavorful, and I love them. That's really the only kind of packaged soup I buy. I'll have the second video coming up, and it will be the finished product and plating up, and I'll show you how it come out. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.